Alright everybody, this week we are going to be doing a little bit of social media. We're going to be doing some fun stuff. It shouldn't be too bad for you, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview of what I expect from you for this week. So we're going to be making a content calendar, which can be seen on your screen right here. So this was made by some of my undergraduate students for a local bar called Mojo's Cajun Food Barbecue Sports Bar. So part of the instructions for this week are to make a key, so you can see that up here. It's all color coded. Anything blue down here is a Facebook post. Instagram is going to be green, and then since it's a sports bar, they have sports posts and funny holidays and all that good stuff. So you can take a look through this and kind of see how they planned out the month of October for Mojo's. Yours probably won't have this much on it. There was 4 students working on this, and they all had their different parts of it. What I'm going to expect from you guys is at least 3 days of posts during the week. And if you don't know which each individual social media platform is for, probably just do Facebook and Instagram is going to be the easiest for you. But you're allowed to do any social media that you want. So LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, that's all fine. So I just want 3 posts a week at the minimum. And you're not actually posting this, obviously. This is just you hypothetically planning out an entire month of December. Here's the content calendar, the blank one that you guys will be filling out. I already put the dates in here for you. So what is going on in December? Obviously, there's a few holidays and New Year's Eve. So how can you relate that to the business that you're doing? Another thing that you can do is anniversaries and dates of the business. Is it your 1-year anniversary? 2, 3, 4, 5 major conferences that are coming up for your business? All that stuff should get put in here. Then maybe you want to post about it or just kind of plan that. You're going to do a contest for the month for your business. You want to know the start date, how you're going to kind of promote that throughout the couple weeks, and picking it up final. So content calendars just help you so you're not last minute trying to come up with content, and it's actually kind of fun to plan out. So one thing you can do is just Google funny holidays in December, and there should be a bunch of different websites that are going to have different types of websites. So December 1st, Bartender Appreciation Day. That could be something very, very easily used at Mojo's, the bar. Social media post, tip your bartender $5 or get a free shot. Something like that. So take a look at all those. If it makes sense, if you think it's funny, if it's relatable to your business, go ahead and put it in. If not, then don't put it in, obviously. And then one last thing I'll show you guys before I end this video is you can see kind of how we can use these content calendars. This is an actual content calendar. I believe I got this from Buffer, which is a major social media posting platform. But if we can see down here, you can put all your individual posts from here, and you can store them down into here. You can put everything on Twitter and then upload this into Buffer, and then it will actually do all your posts for the month for you. You can do that with a couple of these platforms down here. Some you can, some you can't. Just depends on what the platform lets you do. So I just wanted to kind of show you that. But most importantly, have some fun with it and get it filled out. Once you're done, save it, and you're going to submit this in conjunction with a quick graphic that you're going to be making on Canva. So the next video is going to show you how to do that.